Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been, I don't know how long, couple months, half a year, 20 light years, I don't know, but yeah, it's been a while. And I know I keep popping in and out of YouTube, but things are just, you know, life goes on outside of YouTube, and yeah, that's just what I'm gonna say. So today I decided to do something that is not new. I've seen this everywhere on Instagram and YouTube. It's the Instagram versus real life makeup, and I wanted to come on here and do my own little version of that because my YouTube and Instagram makeup is definitely like way different than my normal everyday life going to work makeup. So basically my Instagram side is going to be the left side of my face, and then my real life everyday makeup I do for work is going to be on my right side. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my face, and on the left side, the Instagram side, I'm going to go in with my No Poreblem primer from Touch and Soul, but I'm just going to use this for both sides because it's just a primer. I usually use my Covergirl full spectrum primer that has SPF 20 in it today, but I'm filming at night and I don't need any SPF right now, so we're just gonna go with my Touch and Soul because this is so, oh my gosh, it feels amazing and it makes your makeup go on so beautifully. Starting off on my Instagram side, I always do my brows first whenever I'm doing like a full beat. And I don't know why I do this. It's just my routine. Okay, so for my Instagram side, I like to conceal my brow, and on my regular everyday side, I do not conceal at all because it only takes me like 20 minutes in the morning to do my makeup, and I'm not trying to do like a full beat for work, you know. They don't deserve my full beatness. For that, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal Perfect Concealer. And that, guys, this is like my favorite drugstore concealer. Like, this stuff is like full coverage. Okay, brow is concealed. Moving on to eyes, I don't really do any eyeshadow on my everyday side because ain't nobody got time to be wearing full-blown eyeshadow waking up at 6:30 in the morning. Like, nah. I don't do any eyeshadow for my everyday, but today I'm gonna do eyeshadow for the Instagram side, of course, and I'm going to prime using that same Milani concealer. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Violet Voss Holy Grail fun size palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes to use like on the go. I take it when I travel, and it's just an overall amazing eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna create something that's very smoky, Instagram warm, fall colors, whatever, yeah. Alright, so moving on, I'm actually going to move on to my foundation, and for the Instagram side, I'm actually going to mix two of my favorite foundations. So I'm going to mix the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation. This is full coverage, and I'm going to mix it with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is NC50. And on the everyday natural side, I'm using this, ooh, what is this? I'm going to use the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Wear Foundation. And this one has more of like a light coverage. You can build this up to medium, but I just like a very light coverage every day for work. I don't need a lot of coverage. Okay, so for concealer on the Instagram side, I'm going to use that same Milani Correct Conceal and Perfect I'm going to use that same Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. Let's put this bad baby. And on the everyday side, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. For powder on the Instagram side, I like to use this one. One of my favorites, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I've used this powder for years. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna set my concealer using that. So for the everyday natural side, I'm gonna take this Covergirl Full Spectrum All Day Powder Foundation. And I just like to just go to town on this side of my face. I'm just gonna use a big fluffy brush. Okay, so for contour on the left side, I'm going to take a little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. And guys, this stuff is creamy as hell. Like, I need to get this in my actual shade so I can just use it all over my face. But I only like to use a tiny bit of this because it is a little dark. So I don't like to use too much. All you need is like a little dab, a little dabby dab. So for my everyday natural side, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Bronzer. Now this has been in my makeup routine for like a month or so, and I love this bronzer. It's like one of the only drugstore bronzers that's actually deep enough for my skin tone. And so for the Instagram side, I'm actually gonna take this as well to set the contour and also bronze as well. So also for the Instagram side, I'm gonna take a little bit of that powder foundation. I'm gonna take this and like, cut it, your bronzer way too harsh, you need to cut it. Your contour way too harsh, you need to cut it. I might have just did something, y'all. Just gonna, I like to use the blush that comes in this Cover FX palette. Yes, I know mine is dirty as hell. I'm going to dip into this color right here. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of that contour as well, you know, just, you know, give me some more zhuzh. Two shades like right up in here for my highlighter on my Instagram side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 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 So for eyeliner, I actually apply eyeliner. I can't live without eyeliner. I've been really loving this Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner because it glides on so beautiful. For my Instagram side, I don't know why, but I do love applying the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for my everyday side, I like to use my NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, or mascaras of all time. So that's all that I would do to my eyes every day. I don't do anything else. I really don't need to. But on the Instagram side, I'm going to apply some black liner. I'm going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio black eyeliner in Onyx, and this is like the best eyeliner ever. You guys are sleeping on this. This is so black, and it actually stays in your waterline. And I'm just gonna take those same eyeshadows I applied in my crease and put them on the bottom lash line and smoke it out. Just going to apply my Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos, whatever it's called, on my left eye, and be right back. Okay, so to finish off this look are the lips. So for my everyday natural side, I like to just wear lip balm. Once in a while, I'll probably wear lipstick, but I just like to wear lip balm. It's just the easiest thing to put on, especially in the morning. I like to use the Chapstick Total Hydration, the Hello Bordeaux, the one that's tinted, because it gives like a nice little flush to the lips, you know? Okay, so for the Instagram side, I'm going to go with something that I like to use like on the regular, whenever I want to look like nice and glamorous, like a nice deep shade. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. and this stuff is amazing. Okay, so the lips are done. So the very last step that I do, no matter what side I'm doing, is setting spray. One that I've been loving is this Pixi Glow Mist. So you shake it up because it has just a tiny bit of oil in it, so you have to like shake it just to mix it. And I just go to town. And so guys, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So guys, tell me which side you like better. Do you like the Instagram side or the everyday natural side? Let me know in the comments below what side you prefer to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!